In this video, we're going to show you how to connect the aquifer pipe to the header pipe. Here is a quick view of what it looks like when the aquifer pipe is connected to the header. Now the first step you want to do is you want to just lay the header pipe into the trench. Do not glue it, do not cut it, anything. And all you're going to do right now is just level it. You just want to level the header pipe. You start on the last aquifer pipe furthest away from the drop. Right here you see that the aquifer pipe is getting ready to be connected. The first thing we do is make sure that the header pipe is level. The next thing you want to do is you want to cut the pipe that's going to be used for going between the reducer coupler and the tee. But just measure it all the way up to the header. This is going to tell you exactly where to put your tee. Now he just places the tee right on top of the header pipe and he marks it where the tee ends. That is not where you're going to cut it. What you do is you use a measuring tape and you come back 3/4 of an inch. And that is where you're going to actually cut it at. So if you see there's two marks. The first mark is the end of the tee, and then 3/4 inch back is the actual cut, because you need to make up that depth of the tee. So now he's going to cut it. Okay, one thing to notice is on these tees, if you notice, we put them in the flow of the water. So you see how it comes, the water comes this way and it goes that way. The water is going that way. Sometimes people put it in backwards and then we have to come back and change them. But this is the flow of the water. This is the beginning of the entry point of the header pipe, and it flows this way. So you want to put the tee in the correct way. And then the water goes right up into the aquifer pipe. Okay, I hope that gave you a good description on how to connect the aquifer pipe to the header pipe. The next step is to connect the header pipe to the feeder header pipe.